We back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to migrate InuYasha V1 into Yasha V2. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I wanted to share how to migrate your InuYasha tokens into V2 Yasha. This process is very simple. If y'all haven't read the article that was released on Monday, February 14th about the Yasha migration, I will explain it to you on this video. I'm making this video to show you how to migrate your InuYasha V1 into V2 Yasha. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is use EVERMIGRATE and connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you will see your InuYasha tokens populate. And from there, you can just migrate your InuYasha V1 into Yasha V2. It is a gas fee required to complete this transaction, but I'm gonna do everything on camera to let y'all know exactly how much the gas fee is and how easy the process works. First thing you have to do is connect your wallet to EVERMIGRATE. I have a Coinbase wallet, so I'm gonna connect that right here. Once you connect your Coinbase wallet, you will see your InuYasha tokens populate. You can press max to max out the total amount of InuYasha tokens you have to migrate. From there, you would just press enable, and then you will confirm the transaction on your phone. Right now, to convert InuYasha V1 into Yasha V2 is $12 for the miner fee, so I'm going to confirm that. So after you enable the dapp, you have to pay a small miner fee. Then you're able to migrate. The current migration fee for InuYasha V1 into Yasha V2 is $82 right now, so I'm going to confirm that. And you can see in the top right hand corner that the migration has started. Now the migration was successful. You can see at the bottom I now have Yasha V2. So the transaction was successful. Once you migrate successfully, you will see the Yasha tokens within your Coinbase wallet or your DeFi wallet. I will post a screenshot of my current holdings. But that's my video for today. You can currently see Yasha trending number 8 on Dex Tools. Right now, Yasha is sitting at a $25 million market cap with 1,500 holders and 1.3 million in liquidity. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.